Hi guys, ngayon ay kagagaling ko lang pero sina-challenge naman ako na magkatay ng kambing. So ngayon, ito yung isusuot ko na naman. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Minsan natatawa ako sa attire ko eh. So, ito yung damit na isusuot ko ngayon. Yan. Sa likod, okay siya. Pero pag sa harapan, ayan. Tapos, mag-high heels ako mamaya. Ayan. Minsan guys, natatawa ko sa sa mga attire namin. Kasi hindi naman to pangkatay. So, okay lang yun. Maganda naman tong yung mga pinapasuot sa amin. Ay, naku. We're getting ready to slaughter goat. Look at the goat we are going to slaughter today. It's very small. This is very easy for us guys to slaughter that goat. You see? Hello goat. Are you lucky today? Huh? You're lucky today to slaughter by me. So, are you Karen excited?
Very excited guys.
So, God, look at me. Do you want me to slaughter you? Huh? My God. Huh? You don't want to stop me? Huh? To beg your life. Okay? You gotta say it's useless, right? Because no one listens to you. I think Karen will beg your life. Do you?
No.
Why? Because, hey, why you bother? You want to hide there? That's funny. Hey, you want to hide? I think Karen is feel sorry for the small goat to slaughter.
No, I'm not feeling sorry to the goat.
Why?
Because I'm also ready to eat the goat.
I thought you say you're ready to kill the goat. I'm ready to kill you, goat. No matter how small you are, I still cut your neck. Okay? So now guys, we're gonna kill the goat now. I think we don't need to put the tie on the feet because it's too small. We can manage this one without any control there in the feet. So can you hold that? So tingnan nyo si Karen. Yan. Magaling na yan siya magkatay ng kambing. Yan. So 'di ba? Siya lang yung naglilinis ng kambing ngayon. Ako ang taga-katay, siya yung taga-tanggal ng balahib.